Welcome to this chakra meditation for balance and healing. Find a nice position where you are sitting upright and can easily close your eyes. Rest your hands in your lap, whatever way feels comfortable for you. Your eyes are closed. Feel your body sinking down. This time is only for you. There are 7 chakras in the body, starting at the base of the spine and going up to the crown of the head. Bring all of your attention to the very top of your head. The crown chakra. It is glowing in a beautiful indigo color. This is your spiritual connection. Imagine that a beautiful white light is coming down and it is about to grace the top of your head. As it makes contact with the top of your head, you feel a profound relaxation beginning to sweep down your body, traveling over the third eye chakra, represented by the color purple. Relaxing. This spiritual connection of golden light continues down, surrounding your throat chakra, shining with the color blue. Relaxing your throat. Notice how this feeling of relaxation spills down your shoulders, all the way down both arms, and it begins to circle around the heart center. Your heart chakra is glowing in a beautiful green color and filled with love. The gorgeous light from above continues to make its way down the body, encompassing the solar plexus chakra. Your entire upper belly is so very relaxed. It is a brilliant yellow color, feeling calm and rested. The amazing light continues down to your lower abdomen, the place of your sacral chakra, glowing in a gorgeous orange. Your lower abdomen is so deeply relaxed. The white light continues down all the way to the root chakra at the base of the spine, unwinding any tension that may be here. You are feeling so relaxed. A deep sense of peace has come over your entire body. The golden white light travels down both legs, all the way to the toes. You can even visualize yourself being surrounded in white light. Now we are going to focus on the chakras again, this time going from the bottom up. I will guide you. Bring all of your attention to the root chakra. Imagine that there is a spinning orb in the color red. And with your concentration, you can spin this orb even faster. Just by thinking about it, it begins to spin so fast and glowing so bright red. Focus on the sacral chakra. See that orange orb and imagine you are spinning it faster and faster. Continue now to the solar plexus chakra. A gorgeous yellow orb is spinning, and just by thinking about it, you make this orb glow brighter and spin faster. Continue up to the solar plexus chakra, glowing in a green orb, and with the power of your imagination, spin that orb faster and faster. Continuing now to the throat chakra, a brilliant blue color. Imagine that you're spinning that blue orb so fast. And now the third eye, that beautiful purple orb. Imagine that just by thinking about it, that purple orb spins faster and faster. And finally, the crown chakra, your connection to all there is. An incredible indigo color orb is spinning here, and just by placing your attention on it, it begins to spin faster and faster. Each one of your chakras are now perfectly balanced and aligned, allowing for a profound healing to take place in every cell of your body. You may rise from this meditation whenever it feels right for you. Namaste.